Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable calls on Facebook Messenger. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is that you just go to your phone settings and click on that. And in this section you just simply scroll down and click on app management and then click on app list. So just wait for a while, it's loading. It will take some time, so stay with me. So in search bar you just simply type messenger, so click on that and then click on permissions, and then you have to deny camera, microphone, phone. So simply click on that and click on don't allow, then go to your microphone and do same, and click on phone and click on don't allow. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.